Hello friends, welcome to Lopamudra's presentations. How are you? Hope you all are fine. I went to Las Vegas, Los Angeles, Santa Barbara and Arizona this January. I have narrated you about my memorable experience of visiting Arizona Upper and Lower Antelope Canyon, Hollywood, Los Angeles, Grand Canyon and Las Vegas in my previous videos. I have made total 5 videos describing the whole trip, hotels, drive, food, parking, time, etc. This one is my 5th video of this trip. Today I will share my awesome experience about Pacific Coast Highway Drive, one of the surprises of the world, that is Badwater Basin, heavenly beautiful Santa Barbara, East Beach, Point Dume, along with magnificent colorful rocks and sand dunes. Do you remember the game Road Rush, where we rode on Pacific Highway? We enjoyed the beautiful scenic beauty of the nature in that game and dreamt to drive on it. In this video, you can move out of the game and enjoy natural beauty through a camera lens. In the morning, we headed for Santa Barbara from Las Vegas. Though the straight drive was for 5 hours and 30 minutes, we chose to drive through Badwater Basin and Death Valley. The road view was exquisite. The red and brown rocks in between shiny white sand dunes. We ogled the view whole way. The Blue Peak Mountain wasn't far. And the greenish, yellowish, brownish mountain was near to you. It is such an awesome drive from Las Vegas to Death Valley. It took around 2.5 hours. We stopped at an inn to have our lunch in Death Valley. In this area, restaurants are quite scarce, max 2 to 3. The surroundings were too good. After spending some time there, we reached at Earth's lowest point, Badwater Basin. It is 855 meters below sea level. Death Valley is a desert valley in eastern California, bordering the Great Basin Desert. It is one of the hottest places on earth. Death Valley becomes very cold in winter. The extreme heat of Death Valley in summer has killed people in the past. Hence, it is called Death Valley. In Death Valley, there is a scarcity of restaurants and restrooms. So take necessary measure before driving through Death Valley. The next spot is Devil's Golf Course. We were astonished seeing the beauty of nature. The reddish, brownish, yellowish sand dunes along with the colorful rocks looks as if an artist painted it gracefully. Bluish, reddish, greenish, yellowish, grayish, blackish, bluish rocks. Yellow ochre, orange yellow, lemon yellow, dark green, light green, bluish green, violet, light grey, deep grey, purple colors and many more. Almost you can find any color you can imagine. All the colors join together to form this heavenly view. Next spot was Mesquite Flat Sand Dunes. The road view was also awesome. Enjoyed mountain view in both sides. It was looking like no man's land, and there were no cars besides ours. At last, we reached at our hotel, Hilton Hotel at Santa Barbara. It is a beautiful resort. Spent a relaxing night after so much hectic tours. It was a beach resort on East Beach. We spent some time in the resort and enjoyed the surrounding views. One side the beach side and another side of the resort is the mountain side. This is our last day of the 9-day trip. We have our returning flight at 9 p.m. Before that, we need to drop our car at Hearts Rental. So we have time till 6 p.m. to visit Point Dume and ride on Pacific Coast Highway. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Please press the bell icon to get all the notifications of my videos. I will wait for your like and comment. If you like my video, please share with others. We chose Point Dume so that we can drive on Pacific Highway coast. The characteristic of Pacific Highway coast is road dividing sea beach and hilly region. Pacific Highway is well known as one of the scenic drives in the world. Here we can enjoy the two opposite nature creation, mountain and seaside, together. It is a long drive with a magnificent view. You can follow me on Instagram and Facebook too. My Instagram name is Bakchil. I have added all of my accounts details in my description box. Please check those. It is a very beautiful and enjoyable ride. Some photo shoots in lookover areas. Such a vacant, awesome beach. Just notice the right side. Mountain meets with the sea directly. As if an ocean is kissing the foot of the hills. It is a nice spot to capture the great meeting of mountain and sea. took some pics here, and then again headed for the destination. There is a spot called Malibu. It is a well-known spot nearby this area. I can't refrain myself to take some beautiful pics. We went dressed up for visiting a beach rather dressed up for the flight. I cherish my memories of this trip. There are some beautiful houses, small houses, on the beach. Had lunch at Seaside Restaurant at Point Dew. Enjoyed a few minutes there and then headed to Hearts and Airport. This is the end of my trip. So, bye-bye. Take a very good care of yourself.